Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm on top. Well, I'm not on top. I'm actually on the side of my trailer. I have a 6x12 cargo trailer, and a couple times I've been camping. In the morning, you can see some sunlight coming through, so I started noticing some cracks coming on top of the aluminum roof on top. And I searched on the internet and stuff, and I guess it's maybe from the wind inside and how it kind of waves like this or something. So I'm gonna have to figure out something to put inside. But the problem now is I got cracks and I need to fix the cracks. So I'm gonna try some JB Weld on this, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I got the area cleaned off, you can see, but this crack is getting a lot bigger right here. This is my biggest one I have. So I got duct tape underneath to stop the rain. We had some rain here this past week and it kind of went inside. And I got these smaller ones starting to come too now. And this one's not through, but it looks like it's about ready to start. So like I said, I got these areas cleaned up, and I'm going to try some JB Weld on it. I don't know if anybody else has had this issue with a cargo trailer, but like I said, it just kind of, I guess when it's going, it kind of just does a wavy kind of thing, and it just starts, you know, you get a small crack and it starts cracking. I've never stepped on top of it to start a crack, so they just kind of started by themselves. Yeah, so hopefully we'll get those fixed, and we'll see what happens, and I'll be back. I'll show you what I'm gonna do or what I don't do. It's kind of hard to do this same time, but I'll update you on this. All right, so I got the first one. Probably come back, let that dry. I might put a second coat on it tomorrow. It wants to pop up on edges and stuff, so I don't know, we'll see how that goes. First time doing this, so any comments would be appreciated. All right, so anyways, there's the two right there, and there's the bigger one. When those dry and set up a day or so, I'll go up underneath and figure out, like I said, to get that wavy motion or something to stop, you know, put something. He had something up on the middle running board up underneath to try to hold the roof. If anybody else has done that or something, let me know what they've used. Much appreciated, but hopefully this will take care of it. Butter knife, some JB Weld, and yeah, so I don't see any more. I see a couple that could possibly start, but I know those three were the bad ones. So yeah, so stay tuned, and we'll be back for the second part on cracking aluminum cargo roofs.